Hello, this is KL.
And JLY, and this is another episode of Tea for Adventures.
Today we'd like to talk about Book 2.
So we looked over all the different drafts of Book 1.
And got completely overwhelmed.
Yes. But once we recovered from that, we started looking at Book 2.
And we remembered that we actually liked Book 2. We put Book 2 on hold while we were revising Book 1 because we weren't sure how Book 1 was going to change.
And obviously if Book 1 changed, then Book 2 would have to change as well. It had been about 2 years since we worked on it, so we read through it to get reacquainted.
And it was actually fun. We remembered a lot of scenes that we really enjoyed writing.
My favorite scene that we rediscovered was when Torrent had to interview the clerics and the mages for their in-action assignment. I remember having so much fun writing it because of the relationship between Torrent and Ray and Fel, and how Torrent kept threatening Ray and Fel in all of their scenarios.
Classic Torrent. The scene that stood out for me is when Vice reads the cards for Avery. I remember when we wrote that scene because it was near Halloween and we turned off all the lights in the house and lit some candles, and it felt really spooky, and it just felt like the right way to write a scary scene like that.
Yeah, so it was kind of strange rereading Book 2 and just remembering how much we'd written. We were waiting for so long to get a publisher interested in our book that it was really easy to lose faith and wonder if what we'd written was any good.
But looking back, we can say that we enjoy what we've written, and that at least is something.
We know we have a lot of work in front of us with Book 1, but we haven't forgotten about Book 2. We will finish it. We always intended to.
And now we're saying it out loud.
Anyway, that's what we've been up to this week. Thanks for watching another Tea for Adventures.